it's fantastic to be here today to see the school nearly finished. I think the environment it creates for children to learn is amazing really. It's very open, very bright, and it's laid out very well. And it's going to be a fantastic asset for the future of children for this area. And of course it's a part of what we'd like to see in every school in Gwynedd. It's our vision for Gwynedd is to have the best environment for children to learn, and also of course for the teachers to carry out their work.
My name is Megan and I'm from Ysgol Bro Llifon, and I'm looking forward to the cooking class because it will be very new for us all, and I love cooking as well.
It's really great to be here today to look at the new school here in Bro Llifon, but also to see the impact that this school will have on teaching standards and on education standards in general. It'll be a quality learning environment for children and also for the teachers and for the head, so that we can improve school standards in this particular catchment area, but also across the county in general.
My name is Elizabeth Nerelli Hughes from Ysgol Carmel, and I'm looking forward to work with new students.
It's been really good looking around today and seeing how the new building's coming on. Of course, it's been quite upsetting for local people, but due to the fact that two local schools in the area are going to be closing, and it's been quite hard work trying to get people to get behind the new school. I think it's important that we realise from now on that this school is an area school. It isn't a school in Bro Llifon just for Bro Llifon people, and I think it's very important that the parents from the other villages take the opportunity to get behind the school and make it an excellent school for the area.
Hello, my name is Danny and I'm looking forward to new teachers and new children to play with and more room for lessons.
We have an opportunity today to have a look around the school and have a tour around the classrooms and be outside. It's looking wonderful, brilliant actually. And we're looking forward now, staff and parents and children, to open the doors September and to welcome everybody in.